So after a bit of time away, I am back in the game and I am here with the first case drop for the Pixel 9 Pro XL. So let's check it out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So I have been away for a little bit. We have been working on some charity stuff over the past few months. It's sort of taken over. So if you want to find out a bit more about that, drop over onto my socials. I'll leave you links in the description down below for the likes of my Twitter and my Instagram and stuff. I have some updates on there of where we've been, what we've been doing. So if you're interested, check it out. But Google have launched the Pixel 9 Pro XL. And I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Michael, Pixel 9 Pro XL? Like, are you on Team Pixel? Have you been sent a review unit? Sadly, no, I have not. I do have, however, this is the official Google Pixel 9 XL dummy phone. This has been sent to me by a contact at Google, and again, similar to what I got last year with the Samsung S24 Ultra, I have the official unit here. So this is a display dummy. It has clicky working buttons, it has the camera array, it has everything that the Pixel 9 Pro XL has, and they sent me this and said, listen, you have ordered your phone's coming, but we'll send you these units out and you can have a quick look at them before you get your phone. So I was like, great, appreciate it, so thanks very much. So because of that, now I can drop the first case video for the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Without further ado, we have this is the Thinborne case for the 9 Pro XL. Thinborne cases I have used for the 15 Pro Max, the S24 Ultra, have all been top notch. Now I will be straight up, the one I reviewed for the Pixel 8 Pro last year was a really good case. It lacked Magsafe and that was a big disappointment for me. This year they fixed it, so let's check it out. So as always, we've got this aramid carbon fiber style pattern on the box. It's really funky. Inside the box then we have some paperwork, installation instructions, a little bit of documentation there, and then inside we have the case itself, which is very nice, very nice. And then we have screen protectors, which is a good touch. Thinborne do provide screen protectors, which is pretty good. And then we do have a little kit here for applying screen protector, like wipes, microfiber, that kind of thing. It's pretty good. And then inside then we've got a wee notice here asking, you know, if you have an issue, contact them first and they'll do their very best to sort things for you instead of returning it. So yeah, fair enough. So this is a aramid fiber case. It's thin, it is lightweight. Now, while it is not a full bumper case, it does cover the bottom and the top of the phones where it does have cutouts. Cutouts for the buttons, cutout for the port, and a cutout for the antenna at the top. Otherwise, you've got pretty decent coverage around the board. As you can see, we have our magnetic ring here. Finally, no Magsafe, no party. You know yourself. We'll just check out the weight of this case. So 23 grams. That's pretty awesome actually. Thin, lightweight. You're going to get that minimalistic feel. It's going to be really good. That's what you want. So here we are. Like I say, this is the Obsidian 9 Pro dummy. And yeah, like I say, we've got clicky buttons here. We've got our camera array. We have, like, it is the official dummy from Google. So top notch. And big shout out for sending it out to me. We do have this shiny body on the phone and it is going to be a fingerprint magnet, so you definitely are going to need a case and a microfiber cloth, just saying. So let's just pop this in and see how it fits. There we go, and the fit is really good. So as you can see there, it just clips on, and yeah, it is really nice. So we've got aramid fiber. Now obviously with aramid fiber we do have the caveat of fingerprints. What are you gonna do? It is what it is. They do pick up fingerprints. That is the nature of the beast. It's the nature of the material. But if you have a microfiber handy, they'll just wipe off and you'll have no issues. On the side then, so you do have the cutouts for the buttons. So as you can see, the buttons are easily accessible and they are clicky. No issues of getting to them. That's what you want to see. On the bottom then, we do have cutouts then for our speaker, our USB-C and our microphone, which is great, that's what you want. And then we have these little cutouts here, which is to help to get the case off your phone, which is quite useful, but I'll show you how to do that in a little bit. And then on the top, we have the cutout then for the antenna, which is just here. And then we have another cutout then for another microphone cutout there as well. Pretty straightforward stuff. What I do like about this camera array is, and with this case especially, is it is molded right the way around the camera, so you do get that little bit of protection on the camera bar. That's good, that's what you want to see. So do a fitment test then. So we'll just take the corners of the phone, we'll just give it a twist. The phone is secure in there, it is not going to pop out whatsoever. That's what you want to see, a good secure fit. You don't want a case to be flimsy and come off, so that's what you want to see. That's bang on, perfect. So screen lip then, you can see that with these cases you get a very, very minimal lip. You get the tiniest little lip. It is slightly a bit more raised at the corners to give you a little bit of lift up protection, but there's not going to be much. That's not what these cases are about. These cases are about the thin, minimal experience. So if you set it down flat, you are going to get a little bit of lift up protection, but you're not going to get a big amount. Same goes for the camera array. Like I say, the case is molded and comes up over the cameras. That's what you want. And you can see there's a little bit of a lip around the glass of the camera bar, so you will get a wee bit of set down protection there as well. That's what you want to see. Armored fiber, the feel of it, it feels good. I do like the feel of it. This is the 600D pattern as well, so this is the finer armored pattern, and I do like the feel of it. No issues with that whatsoever. Yes, it will pick up fingerprints. It is the nature of the beast, but like I say, if you have a microfiber handy, you can just wipe that up and that's fine. It's not a problem. So with these cases being very, very thin and tight fitting, sometimes it's difficult to get these off, but I can show you how to take these off without damaging the case or damaging your phone. So what you do is, because these are very tight on the corners, you can see there's very, very slightly raised. So what you do is you'll put your thumb on the camera guard like that, and then you just pull up one of the corners and you do it on the other side, and the case just pops off. And same again for reapplying it. If you just pop it in at the bottom and then just push it in at the top, it clicks in and it's a good firm tight fit. So once again, just put your thumb there, just pull up the top corner, go to the other corner, and then just lift it up, and that's it. Easy peasy. And of course, Magsafe compatible, so we can do a Magsafe test. This was the one thing that was a bit of a downer for me on the Pixel 8 Pro case. There was no Magsafe, and when I went out in the car, it was just a pain. You know, I had to try and put it under my mounts in the car and stuff. It was a bit of a pain, and I did stick on a Magsafe ring, but it was messy. It just didn't look good, and I ended up taking the ring off it because I just didn't like the look of it. So I'm glad to see the Magsafe has incorporated. Thinborne have listened to our feedback and said, you know, listen, that case would be top tier if you had Magsafe on it, and yeah, it really is. So let's just test the strength of these magnets. Oh yeah, that is top notch. Absolute. Yeah, that's great. And there is, like, this dummy is the exact weight of the phone. With these official dummy units, unlike a lot of third parties that make dummy units, they just make them out of cheap materials. These dummy units are made to be put on display in the phone shops and things like that there. So these are made to be the exact same body, the exact same weight as the phones themselves. So this is good to see. Very, 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 very good magnet strength. Top notch. Do you know what? 10 out of 10. If you want a thin, minimal armored fiber case, you need to pick this up. This is absolute top notch. Thinborne have listened to the feedback and thought, you know what? Yeah, we'll give you the Magsafe, and top case. Top case. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. As always, I will leave you a link in the description down below where you can pick this case up from Thinborne's website. Affiliate links help support the channel. They don't cost you guys any more money. So if you do pick up using any of my links, thanks for your support. Much appreciated. And yes, I will be reviewing more cases for the Pixel 9 Pro XL. That is a mouthful. And my phone will be arriving on Friday, so stay tuned because I will have an unboxing of the phone itself when it arrives, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I will do a top 10 cases for the Pixel 9 Pro XL as well, so stay tuned. If there is anything else you want to see for the Pixel 9 Pro XL, let me know in the comments down below. Much appreciated. So that about wraps it up for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me, and don't forget to click that subscribe and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Stay tuned. If you want some more down to earth tech review and accessory videos, you know where to come. And until the next one, I'll catch you later. Pixel 9 Pro XL. Yeah, boy.